show you another miracle of stupid engineering. So there's the coolant drain, just to give you an idea of where we're at in the engine bay. And you see I've added that little clear tube. It's a 3/8 inner diameter hose. And I don't know, I maybe cut off 3 or 4 inches and stuck it over the tip there. But you see the factory drain there, it's just the wrong length. So if you don't put that tube on there, then the coolant basically runs all over that plastic and kind of spills. So just another stupid engineering design on their forever efforts to be cheap and quote-unquote green, which of course there's nothing green about spilling coolant all over the place. But anyway, just thought I'd show you that tip there, help you keep from spilling coolant. I'm going to leave that hose on there. I don't think there's a way to drain out more than about a gallon of coolant at a time, so absent probably there may be some drain plugs on the bottom of the block somewhere, but anyway, this method probably got to drain it and refill it and drive it for a while, probably 3 or 4 times to get somewhat of a coolant change. I'm trying to get the factory orange stuff out of here and get the newer yellowy green stuff that's a little bit better quality. It might hopefully protect the water pump from going out, because these things are notorious for blowing the water pump at like 100,000 miles.